And it's another episode of Product Management 101 with Temini Kolayo. And hello, gorgeous girls and beautiful boys, men and women. I think this is the first video in the month of June. So let me use this opportunity to say Happy New Month. I think today is what? Today is 14. Is it 14? I think 14. But Happy New Month. This is so funny. Happy New Month to you. I hope that you've had like an amazing month so far. June has been very good to me, and I am actually thankful to God for this very month. So, yes, happy new month. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Temini Kolayo, and I am a product manager. And what do we do here? We talk about product management. I try as much as I can to assist entry level product managers as they get into their role as product managers, or those still trying to figure out what they really want to do. Probably you've decided that, oh, I want to get into tech, but I really do not know what to do. This channel is very, very helpful to you, if I do say so myself. So, yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for sticking around with me. Thank you to the new subscribers. I saw the numbers jumped up over the week, and thank you so much for the new joiners. So, yes, today I'm going to be talking about something that we've already done before, but from just a different lens, right? So I know that some months ago we created portfolio using Notion, and I got some comments. Some people really did not were not able to do it by themselves. So I said, okay, you know what? AI has made life easier for us. So why not just use another tool to create the portfolio? So quick question: if a recruiter googled your name right now, what would they find? Maybe I'll do that for myself over the week. I'll just go on Google and just do because here's the thing nobody tells aspiring product managers: a CV gets you a glance, but a portfolio gets you remembered. So the problem is most people think building one means hiring a designer or learning to code. You don't need to learn how to code. You don't need to get a designer to help you with your portfolio. So today I'm going to show you another tool that you can use to help build a clean professional PM portfolio in minutes. In minutes. I know the other video was like an hour, but this one should be less than 30 minutes. In fact, maybe less than 20 minutes. But yes, using just one simple AI prompt, no code, no designer, no excuses. So I will give you the exact prompt to copy, walk you through filling it in, and by the end of this video, you have a portfolio you can actually send out to people. So let's get into it. All right, so this is Lovable AI, lovable.dev, right? So that's the name of the application. And all you need to do is just come to this application, sign up, and there are connectors. So connectors are other applications that you can use to do your work on one particular application. So these are just connectors. So I have like cloud, I have AI, Stripe, all of this connectors. There's Gmail, there's Google Docs, we have Notion also, we have Twilio, we have Slack, we have Microsoft Outlook, Google Slides, Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft Excel. There is Linear. I don't know if I've spoken about Linear, but we have Linear, Teams, Word, Twitch, Granular, all of those AI tools. Microsoft OneNote, you should know that that's actually one of my favorite application. And we have just TikTok, you can connect your TikTok also to it. And we have so many other chat connectors. We have Canva, we have Figma, we have Granular, we have Agent, we have Miro, Notion, and all of those AI tools. And if you feel like there is there is a connector that is missing, you can always request for that connector. So I think we can just get into what we want to do today. So like I said, I already have my prompt, so I'm just going to like copy and paste the prompt rather into this design. So this is what the prompt says: build me a modern single page product manager portfolio website about me. So you are going to use this part to write about yourself. So I'm going to take out some parts of the prompt because I just wanted to put it there so that you guys know. Now, your name, what is your name? You put your name there. Oh, my name is Temi Nikolayo Peperembe. You put it there. So, yes, I'm just, like I said, I'm just going to take out some part of the prompts so that we don't confuse our two. So, the name is Temi Nikolayo and Peperembe. So you just put that there. Then my title is already manager. What's my location? My location is Lagos, Nigeria. My years of experience, let's just leave what I got from my prompt. So I'm just going to put my 3 years there. Now, my industry, see, let's just put those industries there. Fintech, health tech, e-commerce. Let's just put our industries there. And the one line summary of what I do. So the example here is I build user validated products that solve real problems. That is fine. We can leave it. Now, my certifications are CSPO, CSM. I don't have a Google PM certification. So let me just remove it. Let me not lie. My education is my latest degree is MSc in organizational behavior from the University of Lagos. So it's Lagos. Yeah. So I have that there. And so this is just what your about page is meant to look like, really. So the next thing is the design. So I said clean, modern, and recruiter friendly. Lots of da da da. So that is it. You can give it whatever prompt. My color palette, neutral with one accent color. The sticky top navigation that scrolls to each section. So I have like the about. When we design it, you see now this is the hero. We have the big headline with my title and the short confident tagline. A one sentence intro of who I am, two buttons to view my case study, and a space for my own photo. And this is the about page. So it's just like short paragraph about myself, a small side panel listing my location, my focus area, my certifications and education. So you're gonna see it when we design it. Then my experience. So I told the thing to show as a clean timeline or stack list for each row. So I added the company there. This is just for demo. I don't work with YouTube. I'm praying to God it's gonna happen soon. So yeah, there's YouTube, there's product manager there, and my start date I added March 2026. From my mouth to God till date. Then we have like the 2 to 3 bullet points of what I did and the impact. So it's you can have as many experiences there, your work experience, right? You have that. Now the case study, things that you've done, to be honest, the product may not be live. It could just be something that you've worked on. There is a tool that I shared on my video. I think it's Sharp Now or Sharp something. I know it's Sharp Now. You can use that tool to build a product for yourself. And there are AI tools that can assist you. So you can just put the case study here. So my title here is teaching on YouTube. Then the problem is people needed a product management tutor, and I volunteered myself. I said I was gonna be the sacrificial lamb, and I was the one sent. Yeah. So the approach, you just tell it, okay, this is it. I just started yapping about product management on YouTube and da da da, and I'm still yapping. So that's just it. Like, don't do this. So I'm just trying to say that this is what you should be able to do this yourself, right? Now, the outcome, let's see what my outcome is. So, my outcome is that after a year of posting consistently on YouTube, I now have 360 subscribers. By the next time we are reviewing this, I want to see like 1,000 subscribers. Yep. Yes. Okay. So, yes, we have this. This is the outcome. After a year, I now have 360 subscribers. I need more subscribers, though, but I feel fulfilled, to be honest. I'm so happy to have all of you here. And now the next thing is your skills and your tools. So I gave it the prompt or the description, and my product skills are there: discovery, PRDs, road mapping, agile, analytics. Then my tools: Jira, Figma, Notion, Miro. And my certification and education, I have my certified Scrum Master certification, my certified Scrum Product Owner certification, and my education, I have MSc. What's my MSc? Organizational behavior. Now, my contact is short call to action line. My email is timnicolayo@gmail.com. And my LinkedIn is, see, I can't start looking for that URL, but let's just put it there. Nami or nami.com. Then a download button. This one too is just a link, just attach it, just put it there. It's going to put it in the resume part there. Then a simple footer with my name and the year. That's all. So build it as just one single page, right? So you can just scroll and that's just it. So let's get into it. So it's currently working. This is the prompt that we gave, and it is reviewing project scope and structure planning. So it's going to take less than five, 10 minutes to get this done really. It's going to take less than five, 10 minutes. I mean, it's already doing the workforce, and yeah. So we're just gonna wait for it to get it done. See, you can see it's designing the face for me. Although you have to like remove this person's picture and put your own picture, put fine picture there, right? So that when recruiters, when they see, they're like, oh wow, this person fits into our aesthetics. Just kidding. But yeah, it's getting the work done, and it's gonna be done in few minutes, right? So let's just keep watching. And yes, so it is done building, and it's just going to pop up on the screen here. So you can preview it and see what the tool has done. So yes, this is what we have. That's the Minicolayo. This is the about, experience, case study, skills, and contact, and the let's talk button. So this is the prompts that we gave, right? And we can just run through it. Available for new opportunities. Product manager building things people use. This was the prompts I gave. You can quickly go to view case studies. See, it's going to bring all your case studies. You can even go to get in touch. This is the email address, this is the LinkedIn details, and all of those things that I supplied. And really, this is just it. My about a PM will listen first, ship second. So it gave all of those details. Now the location, the focus, the CS certifications, and my education is also there. And this is where I said it should be, right? So yes, we have it there. Where I've shipped. So I have my YouTube, I have my LTech, I have my e-commerce, and selected work. My selected work, I expanded it as the case studies and teaching on everything that I wrote in that prompt. This is it. Patient intake, although this one generated it for me because I asked it to. Then my toolkit, I wrote discovery, PRDs, road mapping, agile, nana, certifications and education. Everything that I said is here. Now you can make adjustments. The link for the resume, if you added your own to it, or if you had your own rather to it, it's going to drop it for you. Now, if you need to do some other thing, you can just come here and just put the text there in the text box, like, oh, I want you to change the color. It's going to do it. And now let's just go to publishing this. So publishing means that you want to make it available publicly, and that is just what we want to do now. So I have the public or technical selected. These ones are pro versions, but the public is free, so you don't need to pay for that. Then I can just put an icon or title if I want. I can put my description, like so let's just put a very lazy description here. This is Temi's portfolio demo. Social image, if I want to, I can just put it there, or upload or generate. Now my URL, this is my URL. Um, it's public. If you want to create like your own URL, you can pay so that you have your own URL. But this is it. Let's just publish. It's going to run like basic security scan on the uh portfolio for you. So it's actually doing that. Yeah. So it says everything is fine, no issue. So we are just going to wait for it to publish. It's the same thing you are going to see when it is published though, but let's see it. So we can finish this, and we know that we've wrapped this up. Okay, okay. Toop, toop, toop. All right, so it says my app is live. Let's just view the application now. So it takes me to the um another navigation bar or something. So this is what it looks like. Very clean. If you don't want this color, you can always tell it to change your color. So this is my about, this is my experience, yeah, my case studies, my skills, and my contact detail. So that's just the whole thing. Then let's talk. You can download your resume if you have it there. And that is it, really. Edit with Lovable. So this application is very, very good. There are other applications that you can use, but this one is really, really good. Funny enough, you can actually do this on cloud. Cloud AI. Is it Cloud or Cloud? Cloud. So you can do this on Cloud also. And I think that is it really. So we've been able to create this portfolio for a product manager. You can do so many things using the Lovable application, not just your portfolio. You can do a whole lot of things using the application. You see all those connectors, right? You can use them. You can design with Lovable. You can do so many things with this application. And really, that is just it with Lovable. I am going to see you on the other side. Bye. And that's it. We've just built a portfolio, a product management portfolio using Lovable. I hope you know that that's the name of the application. So the name of the application is Lovable. I explained everything in the video already. So we've actually just built a real recruiter ready portfolio built just from one prompt, so that one thing I will always advise is that always ensure that you put your prompt together. If you need to adjust anything after the tool has designed what you want, it's way easier to tweak than when you are cutting and just putting different prompts. So get your prompts all together and just put it in the system. And remember, the tool gets you the structure, but you bring the substance rather. There are so many people that they don't know how to use AI tools. AI will not build prompts for you. You will be the one to give it the prompts that you want it to build. So sometimes when I hear people say, "Oh, AI is going to take your job," AI is going to take your job, I feel like it's because if you don't level up to what AI is doing, AI is going to take your job. But you still need to be the one to make AI do what you want. That's just it. But don't let's get into it today. So take your time on those case studies, the problem, the approach, the outcome. That section really is what lands you the interview. So I've dropped the full prompts in the description so you can grab it and just start right away. You can just make modifications to it. And if this helped you, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe if you want more practical PM practical tips. I do this every week, maybe not every week, but bi-weekly. Yeah. And just tell me what you are going to do next with your portfolio or using AI too. And I also want to tell you, my friends at Cherryview, they have a program running. So this is going to start in July. We already started the one for June. So this is going to start in July and it's going to be for 8 weeks. If I'm not wrong, I'm going to put the flyer up. It's going to be for 8 weeks. And I think the fee is 150,000 naira. If you are in Nigeria, I want to tell you that that's the cheapest price you will get for a product management course. In 8 weeks, you are going to learn like the basics of product management. That is actually the cheapest. So just reach out to them, send them a DM on Instagram or TikTok, or call the phone number on the flyer, and let's get started. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye. And that was an exciting one. I can't wait to talk to you guys the next time we see. Be safe and ensure that you do something valuable this week. Bye.